Hey guys, Ronnie here. How would you like to be able to create stuff like this? Or like this one. I made all of these with OFFEO, a brand new platform that will allow you to create animated videos in no time. In this video today, I would like to take you on a guided tour of OFFEO so that you too can create cool animated videos like mine. And if you are interested in trying OFFEO, I suggest you stick around until the end of this video because I have a very special deal for you. I first heard about OFFEO when they launched, around July 2018. They reached out and they asked me if I wanted to become one of their beta users. I accepted out of curiosity. Indeed, they had a pretty kick-ass promo video and a fresh visual identity that caught my attention. At the time, I thought the platform had great potential, but some things were a little bit glitchy. But still, I managed to create this very cool logo opener that I'm still using today. Remember this guy?
Look at this dude.
So when the OFFEO team reached out to me again about a month ago to ask me if I would give their platform a second try, but also to ask me if I would introduce my community to OFFEO, I accepted gladly. And I accepted because I saw real value in there. So I gave it a spin, I went back to OFFEO and used it for about 2 weeks. I created a bunch of different projects, some using their templates, others from scratch, and overall the experience was pretty smooth. I started to feel very comfortable after 2 or 3 projects, so I would say that the learning curve is really not that long. Also, I fell in love with some of the newest features of OFFEO, like their built-in background remover, which is awesome, the ability to create your own gradients, and the possibility to upload your own music. I think many of you guys would love OFFEO, because I know you already like Canva, and I know the reasons why you like Canva. I honestly believe OFFEO can help you grow your business. It can help you find new customers, but also offer new services to your existing customers with animated videos. It can also help you build your brand. I bet you the minute you post your first OFFEO video on social media, people are gonna go, "How did you do that?" So as I told you, I accepted. I accepted to go back to OFFEO, give it a second try, but also I accepted to tell you guys about it. And I'm gonna be completely honest and transparent here. You know me. This is a sponsored video. They are paying me to do it. Wait, what? They are paying you to talk to us about OFFEO? Why should we even listen to you, Ronnie? This is completely biased. All right, chill. Let me explain. First, I wouldn't do this if I was not completely convinced that OFFEO will help you grow. Grow your business, but also grow as a designer, grow as a marketer. If you learn how to properly use it, you will make more money. Because video has become the dominant format on social media and all your clients need video. Think about this: video ads, video stories for IG and Facebook, intros and logo openers for Facebook or YouTube. Now, how cool would that be to add all that to the services you already offer? I'm telling you, with OFFEO, you will grow your business. Also, you will grow your brand by standing out on social media with superior content. Content that will stop the scroll. Content that will get people's attention. Second, investing in OFFEO is like adding another string to your bow, right? It's like adding another skill to your skill set. If you are in my community, it means you're probably already using Canva, meaning you are interested in becoming a better graphic designer, even if you don't have any design skills. Well, it is exactly the same here. With OFFEO, you don't need video production skills or animation skills to come up with very cool videos. Simply start from one of their templates, drag and drop your graphics, add your custom elements like your logo, your brand colors, your fonts, and then bring everything to life by adding movement to your design with one single click. And that's it, you have created animated videos in only minutes. It is that easy. And finally, you know I've got you. I have something for you. I have negotiated something for you with OFFEO. And that is, if you sign up for OFFEO, either for a month or for a year, if you sign up for OFFEO via my link, and this is super important, it has to be via the link that you will find in the description of this video or in the comment if you're watching this on Facebook. If you sign up via this link, you will get 25% off on your first purchase. So if you sign up for a month, you will get 25% off $19, which is okay, you know, a couple of bucks. But if you sign up for a whole year, then you will get the 25% off the whole year, which is a much better deal. So think this through very carefully. Maybe head over to OFFEO.com and try the free plan with the limited features. You will have the possibility to try the platform, but you will be limited in terms of the number of projects and you'll have a watermark on everything you export. But what I'm trying to say here is don't rush your decision if you use my promo link, because you're gonna buy a month and then you're gonna love it and then you're going to come back and say, damn, I should have bought the whole year. Think this through. Don't rush your decision. Remember, the deal I have for you is 25% off your first purchase only. Alright, I think I have said it all. I will finish this video by showing you the 5 features I love the most about OFFEO. Number 1 is the large collection of templates. I thought it was super easy to get started with OFFEO because of their templates. I love that you can browse through them using different kinds of filters like format, industry, or even style. Also, they keep on adding new templates regularly based on the feedback from the community. Second is the availability or the responsiveness of the OFFEO team. Whether you try to contact them via the chat, the Facebook community, they have a Facebook group, or via email, the OFFEO team has been super responsive with me. I found their customer support way above average. Number 3 is the ability to create your own gradients. If you know me, you know I'm a huge fan of gradients, so when I discovered that I can actually create my own gradients in OFFEO, I just went loco and did just that for an entire hour. Number 4 is the ability to cut out your photos directly within OFFEO. Another thing I love doing with my personal brand is to use cut out photos of myself in all sorts of situations. I use these in my videos and pretty much all the graphics I create for social media. OFFEO has a built-in background remover that works super well. How cool is that? And number 5 is the possibility to upload your own music. As a video producer, you're always on the lookout for great music. The problem is that sometimes if you use music from a music library or a specific software, you end up using the same tracks as everybody else. OFFEO has understood that and allows you to upload your own music, which for me is a huge deal. And that's it for me, guys. This was my introduction to OFFEO. If you want to give it a try, feel free to use the promo code in the description or in the comment of this video to get your 25% off your first purchase. And also, once you start using OFFEO, don't hesitate to post your videos in our Facebook group so we can all see them and you can receive a feedback from our community. Thank you for watching me. I really appreciate your time and attention, and I will see you in the next video.